Hello friends, in the last lecture we have discussed about the kinematic link, types of kinematic link and constraint motion and their types. And today I am going to explain kinematic pair. Kinematic pair means ज्यावेळेस आपण कोणतेही दोन कायनेमॅटिक लिंक जॉईन करतोय त्याच्यामध्ये एक पेअरिंग डेव्हलप करतोय त्या पेअरला आपण काय डिफाइन करतोय कायनेमॅटिक पेअर. जर सिस्टमॅटिक डेफिनेशनची सांगायची म्हणजे असेल काय सांगता येईल आपल्याला when two links are connected in such a way that their motion must be completely or successfully constrained motion. In the last lecture we discussed about the what is completely constrained motion and successfully constrained motion. It means the link must be completely or successfully constrained, then it is known as a kinematic pair. Means तुमची जी मोशन आहे ती फक्त एकाच डायरेक्शन मध्ये पॉसिबल असली पाहिजे, तर त्या टाईपच्या पेअरला आपण काय मेन्शन करणार, कायनेमॅटिक पेअर. आता त्याचे तीन टाइप्स आहेत. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ कायनेमॅटिक पेअर्स. फर्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू रिलेटिव मोशन, सेकंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सरफेस कॉन्टॅक्ट and third according to type of closure. First I am going to discuss according to relative motion. First type is a sliding pair. Next, second is a turning. Third is a rolling. Next, fourth is a helical. And fifth is a spherical. Hello. Suppose first is according to relative motion. First type is a sliding pair. Second is a turning pair. Third is a rolling. Fourth helical. And fifth is a spherical pair. According to sliding motion, first pair is a sliding pair. In that, when two links are connected in such a way that one can slide over the another, it means दोन जर आपण कायनेमॅटिक लिंक्स घेतले त्याच्यामध्ये रिलेटिव्ह मोशन जी आहे, रिलेटिव्ह मोशन कशी आहे, स्लाइडिंग मोशन आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पिस्टन अँड सिलेंडर आपण एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो. पिस्टन अँड सिलेंडर किंवा लेगचा टूल पोस्ट आणि लेग बेड याच्यामध्ये स्लाइडिंग मोशन आहे. स्लाइडिंग मोशन याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करता येईल. सेकंड वन टर्निंग. टर्निंग मीन्स one element is fixed and second element is turning about that fixed axis. That means a turning pair. याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल आपण लेता येईल ॲक्सिस अँड व्हील. शाफ्ट अँड व्हील आपण म्हणू शकतो. ॲक्सिस शाफ्ट अँड व्हील which is rotating, or spindle. For example, leg spindle is rotating about its fixed axis. That is a turning pair. Third is a rolling pair. Belt and pulley. Belt and pulley or chain and sprocket. These are the examples of rolling pair. It means when two links are connected in such a way that one can roll over the another. One element can roll over the another, means belt is rolling over the pulley continuously. Next is a helical pair. In that example is a nut and bolt or lead screw of lathe. Helical means when two links are connected in such a way that one can move with the help of helical threads over the another. That type of pair is known as a helical pair. And examples are nut and bolt, lead screw of lathe. And next, last is in the relative motion, that is a spherical pair. In that one is in the form of sphere and second is mounted over it. Example of a spherical pair is a mirror mechanism in vehicle. जो आपला मिरर असतो व्हेकल मध्ये तो एका स्पिअरवरती माउंट केला असतो जेणेकरून आपल्याला ॲडजस्ट करता येईल. त्याची डायरेक्शन जी काय प्रत्येक टाईमला आपल्याला ॲडजस्ट करता येतो. किंवा आपले जुने स्विचेस जे आहेत स्विच बोर्ड आपण जुने बघतोय त्याला लिव्हर असायचे. तो पण एक एक्झाम्पल आहे स्पेरिकल पेअरचाच एक्झाम्पल आहे. सेकंड आहे अकॉर्डिंग टू सरफेस कॉन्टॅक्ट. देर आर टू टाइप्स. वन इज अ लोअर पेअर and second is a higher pair according to surface contact. In lower pair, when the relative motion between the two links is completely sliding or completely turning, there is no two motions in that kinematic link. It means such a type of pair is known as a lower pair. Means for example, if we consider nut and bolt, there is a continuously one type of motion is there. Therefore, it is a fall into lower mechanism. Sorry, lower pair. Piston and cylinder, only sliding pair is there. Therefore, it is fit into the lower pair. And higher pair means the parts are connected in such a way that there must be a partly sliding and partly turning motion. Means there are two motions are possible. If we consider cam and follower, there is sliding and turning, both motions are there. Higher pair means partly sliding and partly turning. Sliding and turning motion is there. Such type of pair is known as a higher pair, and here is the only sliding or turning. Such type of pair is known as a lower pair. And third type is according to type of closure. Means there are two types. First is self closed and second is forced closed. What is the meaning of self and closed? Forced. Self means the mechanism itself is in contact with in motion. In forced closed, we have to apply additional force to become a closed loop of that mechanism. Example of self-closed is if you consider a vertical cam and follower mechanism. Vertical. This is a follower and this is a rotating cam. Due to self-weight, this follower is continuously in contact with the cam. Such a type of pair is known as a self-closed pair. But same mechanism, if I replace this vertical cam by horizontal, then such a type of follower is not continuously in contact with the cam. We have to apply some additional force, that is a spring force we have to apply here. With the help of spring, this follower is continuously in contact with the cam. Such a type of a pair is known as a forced closed. These are the types of pairs. According to first is according to relative motion, there are 5 types. According to surface contact, there are 2 types, and according to type of closure, there are again these are classified into 2 types.